In a previous video, we deployed the local Mistral model using LM Studio, and today I wanted to show you another popular option, which is called Ollama. You can go to their website, ollama.com, and follow the instructions to download it. So you can simply paste this in your terminal. Then open your terminal and check if this is correctly installed with the command ollama -- version. And if you see a version number, it proves that this is correctly installed. After that, you need to download the local model, and you can go to their library, search for one, and then choose the name that you want to install. For example, I installed this one, Mistral. If you go to the page, you can see the different ones which are available. So just take a name, go back to your terminal, and you type Ollama pool and the name of the model. For example, Mistral in my case. As I've already downloaded it, it's very fast, otherwise it may take a while. You see that it's a bit more than 4 GB of data. After that, you can verify that it is correctly downloaded. You type Ollama list, and you will see the list of all the models that you have already installed. So a single one in my case. And finally, you can start the server by typing Ollama serve, and it will start the server. In this case, I already have it in use, so this is fine. I can directly go back to VS Code. And here I will continue in the notebook that we used last time for LM Studio. So from Mistral AI .client import Mistral from Mistral AI .client .models import user message. I need to select my kernel, and then we can create our client. Here, this is similar to LM Studio. You need to provide a dummy key. This is a requirement from the SDK. So my API key, I will call it dummy. And once again, you need to specify the URL, how to reach this local server. And this is a different port for Ollama than it was for LM Studio. So http://localhost, and this time this is the port 11434. And this should be enough. After that, you can start a conversation. So Mistral.chat.complete. The model name is the one that you've seen in Ollama. So in my case, this is Mistral. And then the list of messages. So this will be a single, not human. This is in LangChain. So user. Content is, what is the capital of Germany? And then let's display it. Response choices. The first one at index 0 .message .content. And as you can see, very brief response. This is a small model, but at least it proves that we managed to reach our local model deployed with Ollama. I've added all these instructions, all the different terminal commands that you may use in this notebook, so you can just find it in GitHub. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.